This is Clarissa from Allen CNC. Today I will introduce our CNC ring die drilling machine, and I will introduce this machine from four aspects. The first one, the machine factory. The second one, the machine the applicable industry. The second one, the machine introduction. And the next is machine advantage. And in the end, I will show you a video, and in this video you can know the machine more clearly. And now let's start the introduction tour of the CNC ring die drilling machine. The part one is machine factory. This picture is our overall picture of our factory, and our factory is located in Jinan. Jinan is one of the production and R&D bases of the CNC ring die drilling machine in China. The next one is the applicable industry. The CNC ring die drilling machine is suitable for particle ring die mold processing. And the first one is plate machine manufacturing, the feed processing industry, and the pharmaceutical industry, and the chemical industry. And part 3 is the machine introduction. And in this picture you can see our machine clearly, and this part is the turntable, and this is the spindle. The machine is mainly composed of the CNC turntable and the feed spindle. This part is the CNC turntable, and this is the feed spindle. Our CNC ring die drilling machine mainly have two models, and the machinable workpiece diameter is the mixed machinable workpiece diameter is 850 millimeter and 1250 millimeter. And the machine has two spindles. The drilling diameter is from 2 millimeter to 18 millimeter, and the drilling depth is less than 70 millimeter. And the machine clamping width is 3-jaw positioning. Next one, I will introduce our machine details. The spindles, the chip remover, the guide and the rock drive system, the roller line guide rule, the electric system, and the lubrication system. And you can choose the CNC control system. We have many CNC control systems for customer to select. The Lennox, the Fanuc, the Siemens, the K&D, and other CNC control system. Next, I will show the picture of the CNC ring die drilling machine processing. You can see this picture, and the cooling width is internal cooling system. And this The next is the workpiece show. The workpiece is mainly the plate mill mode and the radial drilling mode. The next one is the motion advantage. The machine processing efficiency is more than 8 to 10 times high. Is 8 to 10 times higher than other machines, and the machine rendered with a diameter of 700 millimeter, a hole depth of 70 millimeter, and a number of 1,200 holes. Only need 2 or 3 hours, and the machine is easy to operation, and no programming requirement. Next, I will show you videos, and in this video, this video can clearly introduce our CNC ring die drilling machine.